Here's a refined version with historical examples and a stronger emotional appeal. The hidden truth about judges and the judiciary. Have you ever wondered how much power a judge truly holds? Can a single ruling shape the destiny of an entire nation? More importantly, can justice be manipulated? The judiciary is often seen as the guardian of fairness, protecting citizens' rights and upholding law and order. But history has shown us time and time again that this system, meant to serve justice, can be influenced, delayed, or even controlled by those in power. Behind the black robes and grand courtrooms lies a reality far different from what we imagine. When judges serve power, not justice, judges are expected to be impartial, but how they are appointed often tells a different story. Political influence, favoritism, and hidden agendas sometimes overshadow merit and integrity. Throughout history, we have seen how the judiciary has been used as a tool for oppression rather than justice. Take the infamous Dred Scott v. Sanford, 1857 case in the U.S. Supreme Court. The court ruled that African Americans, whether enslaved or free, could never be citizens, denying them legal rights. This verdict, driven by racial bias and political pressure, fueled tensions that led to the Civil War. The very system designed to uphold justice failed millions, proving that judges are not immune to prejudice. Similarly, in India, the emergency of 1975, imposed by Prime Minister Indira Gandhi, saw courts bending under political pressure. Fundamental rights were suspended, opposition leaders were jailed, and the judiciary largely remained silent. The Supreme Court even upheld the government's decision, demonstrating how judicial independence can crumble under authoritarian rule. These cases remind us that when judges serve power instead of justice, entire societies suffer. Corruption behind closed doors. Throughout the world, high-profile cases have exposed corruption within the judiciary. Bribes, political pressure, and personal bias have led to manipulated verdicts. In Russia, the judiciary has long been criticized for being controlled by the state, ensuring that opposition leaders face harsh punishments while those loyal to the government walk free. Even in democratic nations, influential figures have escaped punishment due to judicial manipulation. In the 2008 financial crisis, major banks and executives responsible for economic collapse were never truly held accountable. Legal loopholes, expensive lawyers, and judicial leniency allowed them to evade real consequences while ordinary citizens suffered. If those who are supposed to uphold justice can be controlled, what does that mean for the common person? Justice delayed is justice denied. Beyond corruption, another major flaw in the judiciary is the unbearable delay in delivering justice. Courts are often overburdened with millions of pending cases. In India, some cases have dragged on for over 30 years, with families waiting generations for a verdict. The 1993 Mumbai blasts case, for example, took 24 years to reach a final judgment, leaving victims without closure for decades. A legal system that moves too slowly is just as dangerous as one that is corrupt. When innocent people waste years fighting for justice, when criminals roam free due to legal delays, society loses faith in the system. Can AI judges fix the system? With technology advance, some experts believe artificial intelligence, AI, could be the solution to judicial bias. AI-powered judges, free from political influence and emotions, could ensure fair and consistent verdicts based purely on law and facts. Countries like China have already experimented with AI in courts for minor cases. However, this raises ethical concerns. Can a machine truly understand human emotions, morality, and the complexity of legal cases? Can an algorithm replace the wisdom and experience of a judge? The future of justice may depend on a delicate balance between human judgment and AI efficiency. Who will protect justice? The judiciary is supposed to be the foundation of a just society, but when it is manipulated, delayed, or controlled, the entire system collapses. History has shown us that justice is never guaranteed. It must be fought for. The real question is, who will protect the judiciary from corruption? Who will ensure that judges remain fair, fearless, and free? Let me know what you think. Do you still trust the legal system, or is it time for a major reform? This version makes the narrative more compelling by adding historical examples, real-world corruption cases, and an emotional appeal to injustice. Let me know if you'd like further refinements.